Hey, welcome back. I'm David, and this week on Forsaken Steel, we're going to be washing a Fiat. And then we're going to do some paintless dent removal, something I've never done before. We're going to learn this together. Stick around, let's see what happens. Thought I'd give y'all a quick look at what it looks like before I start. It is nasty. Sat under a tree, basically, I don't know, for the past year and a half. I don't know, a long time. So, yeah. We're gonna get after it, get it clean. Well, it took some scrubbing, but it turned out really good. I did put a quick detailer on it as well, just to help bring out the shine. Yeah. We'll get on these dents. When this kit comes in, it should be in today, so maybe in the morning. We'll see. But anyways, yeah. Not a bad looking little ride. Yesterday, late, mail ran and we got our PDR kit from Amazon. This isn't the cheapest Amazon PDR kit, but it's close. I wanted one with a light. So you pay a few extra bucks for that. Let's see what's in it. I mean, right there. Super Pro. You know it's gotta be good. Anyways, let's see. There's the LED lights. And it comes with this mount so you can strap it right to the car. That way you can actually see the dent better as you pull it. I'm sure we're not going to get all these dents out, but whatever. We'll have to do some assembly on that. No big deal. Oh, the instructions. Looks like this lady has wrecked her Lamborghini, which she's trying to pull a bumper out of, or a dent out of. I mean, I believe that she'll get it right. Scraper. This is, I always called it a bridge puller. I don't actually know what it's called. It's got little feet that go on here, and then you hook it to the piece with the hot glue. Come with a hot glue gun. You know it was worth the money. Oh, here are a bunch of the little things that you glue onto the car. This is a manual style puller, bridge puller. I don't know. This is one of the reasons I actually wanted this particular kit too. It did come with a slide hammer. We've got a couple of larger dents that we're just going to try to get better, and we needed that. Oh, this has the little rubber pieces that go on the end of it, so you can tap it back in. Some glue sticks. Oh, a microfiber. More pulling tabs. A little hammer. That's perfect. I'm sure you're supposed to put water in that. I don't know. Maybe alcohol. I'll read the instructions for once and find out. All right. So the little light that came with this was it's battery operated and you got to charge it up. So I've got the big lights. I have them turned off right now, but I'm just going to use those. But I wanted that other light just in case those weren't around or these were being used for something else. So anyways, the first one we're going to work on is this dent right here. I'm going to get y'all in close. And let's see how it goes. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. Wait, let me interrupt you just a minute. We're going to do what's in my pockets. That's right. I've been challenged by Junker Clunkers to do the what's in your pocket challenge. So let's find out what's in my pockets. Let's start with this one. Let's see here. Some of y'all will recognize this. It's an empty wallet. Yeah, old cars are expensive. Nice quality plastic box cutter. I've had that thing for several years now. A koozie. You never know when you're going to need a koozie. Let's see here. Keys to the Escalade. Key to the Chrysler Town and Country that was on the channel, I don't know, a couple months ago. This shouldn't be a surprise. One of the pull tabs. Anything else in that pocket? Nope, that one's clean. Let's go to the next one. This is cool. Keys to the next project. Let's see here. Oh, who remembers these? Harbor Freight used to give them out for free with a coupon. Buy anything, bring in a coupon, get free work light. Yeah, those days are over. The good old times. Another pull tab. Oh, look here. A master lock. Wish I had a key for it. The AC seal for the Fiat. I went to put Freon in it. I forgot to put one in it, so I replaced them both. Of course, stuck this one right in my pocket. One more thing. This is a throttle body for a two-port injected Camaro. Wow. Yeah. So I'd like to nominate Shop Cat Industries. He's a cool cat. He's from the Great White North. He's been working on a snowmobile for the past, I don't know, a while. Not to give anything away, but I think there's going to be a payoff video coming soon, so go check him out. I'll drop a link for Shop Cat and Junker Clunkers in the description of this video. And yeah, back to your regularly scheduled program. All right, so the instructions don't give you much to go on. Here's the dent we're going to start with. Here's what we're going to do. Is we're going to glue this thing right there and hope it holds. It says to push firmly. It does say that. Give it just a second to cool off. Brought this puller back, but I'm not sure if it'll work or not, but we're going to give it a shot. See how it goes. Nope. That didn't stick at all. Maybe we'll try the hot glue straight to the car first. It doesn't tell you one way or the other. Also came with 2 different kinds of glues. Doesn't tell you which one to use. Come off the car though. You want to make sure these little feet are down. Just pops it loose. Of course, this was still a little warm. Maybe I didn't wait long enough. All right, so we're just going to try it again. Basically, it looks like I'm doing it right. So we'll give it another shot. It does say to wipe it down with alcohol. I don't have any alcohol, so here we are. And go again. Also have the other style glue stick when this one runs through. Also, and I'm going to let it sit longer this time. Y'all died. I got you up again, but keep moving. It's coming out rather well. You gotta have patience, but it'll be just fine. That's so much better. I'm going to hit it with a polisher. We'll call that deal done. Mostly because I'm out of glue, but whatever. And there we have it. It's not perfect, but it's sure better than the giant dent that was there. And from 5 feet away, you won't even notice it. And we've got lights on it and everything. So without the lights on it, as you can see, well, sorry. But yeah, with enough time, you can probably, I know I can make that better with enough time. But we're out of glue, and I'm out of patience and time, so. Well, here's the spot over the license plate. Man, it's a lot better, too. It was really, really severe. I mean, it's still bad, but compared to what it was, it's a lot better. If I had more glue, I could definitely make both these spots look better, but I'm out, and I'm done with this car. What do you think? I think it turned out all right. The kit was like, I think, $115 or $125. I don't even remember. I didn't use the light that it comes with. It has lines of light is how it works. And then as you work it, you work those lines straight, and that's how you work it out. I knew from the beginning we'd never get to that point because my skills aren't that high. However, we did get a lot done. It looks much, much better. Both dents were in terrible spots to fix. If the dent was in the middle of a panel that wasn't as curved, you'd have a much better chance of getting it straight. But both of mine were in complex curve type areas, and I knew the one on the trunk would never look good. That's why I didn't record it. I knew no matter what I did, I could make it better, but I couldn't make it great. I'm really happy though with how it turned out. So for $115, $125, whatever it was, money well spent. That also affords me to do more in the future and kind of learn a skill. I mean, I'm always trying to learn a skill. With that being said, if you know how to use this equipment and any tips or whatever, drop a comment. I'm always up to learn. I surely do not know everything, and, I'm always trying to pick up a new skill. So thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the bell notification. Yeah, that'd be great. We'll see you next time.